Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start with essentials. Confirm your Azure subscription, resource group, and a mobile app project. Install the Latch mobile SDK and retrieve the API key, client ID, and secret. This is mandatory. In Azure, create an app registration and set the redirect URI to your mobile scheme. Once done, assign minimal permissions. Make sure they match the Latch flow. These first steps place credentials and identity plumbing where you need them, so the header and token exchange can happen securely and predictably. Now configure the header flow in Azure. Deploy an app service or API and enable cores for your mobile origin. Add custom request header rules. Use app service or front door to inject or validate the header key your mobile app will send. Implement the token exchange pattern. Your mobile app authenticates to Azure AD, Azure issues a token, then your backend calls Latch. Include the header with the token and Latch API key. This preserves identity and allows authorization checks to occur server-side. Complete the integration by testing end-to-end. Run the mobile flow, verify the custom header is sent, and confirm the backend successfully calls Latch with the header and token. Monitor app service logs, Azure AD sign-in traces, and Latch response codes for mismatches. If something fails, make sure tokens aren't expired and headers aren't stripped by proxies. As a key troubleshooting tip, if headers disappear, check intermediary proxies and front door rules. Then reject missing headers with 401.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.